Welcome to our channel. Today I wanted to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A26 5G phone. We have the speaker right here between the frame and the glass, the screen glass, and we need to clean this area. For this we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol. We need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. You can buy one in a set like this on Allegro Amazon, and if you don't have that option, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. We need to turn off the phone. Before we start cleaning, because we could damage it while cleaning if it were on, so we always turn it off to make sure it's always off. We turn it to the side so it's easier for us to hold. We dampen the toothbrush with 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it's wet. We hold the phone between two fingers and clean the speaker opening with a steady motion in one direction. We perform 10 to 15 strokes in one direction. Then we do exactly the same in the other direction, just the same 10 to 15 strokes. We do not make right-left motions because that will only move the dirt around, and the dirt won't come out of the opening, so cleaning it that way completely misses the point. If the speaker is very dirty, it is good to repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction. Then it will be perfectly cleaned. As you can see, we are cleaning along the glass, so if the bristles were hard, they would simply scratch the glass, which in my opinion would be pointless. So always make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. Then the dust will simply come out and the brush won't damage the glass. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.